Clean and contemporary, this elegant mixed-use workplace is the redevelopment of a pair of 40-year-old office towers. Epoxy terrazzo in 3 well-chosen colors was installed over existing travertine stone, some of which required floating. Rustic terrazzo upgrades the exterior. This terrazzo work was divided into phases. It had to be performed while the buildings were occupied and access maintained at all times. The divider strip layout met in the center of the building as crews started at different ends of the project, jumping from one area to another. Lobbies, corridors, and the bridge were completed one half at a time, and the 7 elevator lobbies were completed one at a time. The 6 existing circular doors required transition for the terrazzo. Giant holes were cut in the second-floor slab to allow the installation of new stairways, with the terrazzo poured around these holes and finished after the stairs were completed. 4 stairways were precast and another was poured in place. Everything was ground wet, and water had to be kept out of the elevator shafts and the floor below. The contractor on this superb project at Allen Center in Houston is Southern Tile and Terrazzo Company of Houston.